Welcome to the world of C++ Deques, also known as double-ended queues. In this video, we're diving deep into the standard Deque, a powerful container that offers the best of both worlds when it comes to data storage and manipulation. So, what exactly is a Deque? The term Deque, short for double-ended queue, is a sequence container that, unlike vectors, allows you to insert and delete elements from both ends efficiently. Unlike vectors, Deques do not guarantee that all their elements will be stored in a single continuous block of memory. What sets standard Deque apart is that it provides constant time complexity denoted as O of 1 for insertions and deletions at both its front and back ends. This makes it highly suitable for scenarios where you need rapid access and modification from both directions. Now let's explore the key features of standard Deque. First, it offers fast insertion and deletion with constant time denoted as O of 1 complexity for push front, push back, pop front, and pop back operations. Second, you can directly access any element in constant time denoted as O of 1. Here's an example. Standard Deque of integer data type named Deque, initialized with 10, 20, and 30. Integer value is equal to Deque of 1 to access second element. Third, it automatically grows and shrinks as needed, so you don't have to specify capacity in advance. Memory is allocated in blocks, not contiguously. Finally, iterators and references remain valid unless the Deque is reallocated, or elements are inserted or deleted from the middle. Let's learn about the basic operations you can perform with standard Deque. First, include Deque and input-output stream libraries. Then, within the main function, declare a standard Deque of integer data type. To add elements, use pushback to add 30 at the end, making the Deque contain only 30. Use pushFront to add 10 at the beginning so the Deque becomes 1030. Add 50 to the back and 5 to the front, resulting in a Deque with 5, 10, 30, and 50. In essence, the main operations involve adding, removing, and accessing elements from both the front and back of the Deque. Now let's explore how to access elements within a standard Deque. Start with a standard Deque named Deque, containing 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. To use the square bracket operator, A will be equal to Deque of 2, which accesses the third element 30. To use the at method, B will be equal to Deque.add of 3, accessing the fourth element 40. To access the first and last element, front method returns the first element, 10, and back method returns the last element 50. Note that the operator provides faster access but does not perform bounds checking, while at includes bounds checking and throws an exception if out of range. The front and back methods directly access the first and last element. Now let's explore how to insert and delete elements in standard Deque. Initialize a standard Deque with 10, 20, and 30. To insert 15 at a specific position, use Deque.insert, passing the iterator for the second position. Then insert 15, resulting in Deque having 10, 15, 20, and 30. To insert multiple elements, use insert again, but this time insert 2 copies of 25 starting at the third position. This leads to a Deque of 10, 15, 25, 25, 20, and 30. To erase a single element, use erase and specify the iterator pointing to the fourth element. The final Deque will be 10, 15, 25, 20, and 30. Insertions and deletions in the middle of the Deque have a time complexity of O of n. Let's explore different ways to iterate through a standard Deque. Here's how to iterate using iterators. First, create a Deque with elements 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Use a for loop with an iterator starting at Deque.begin, continuing until it reaches Deque.end. Increment the iterator using ++it. Then use standard :out to print the value pointed to by the iterator. Here's how to iterate using a range-based for loop. Use a for loop with const auto ampersand element :deque. Then use standard ::out to print each element. You can use begin and end for regular iterators, C begin and C end for const iterators, R begin and R end for reverse iterators, and C R begin and C R end for const reverse iterators. Use ++ it or -— it to move to the next or previous element. Use it +n or it -n to move forward or backward by n. Use *it to access the element at the iterator's position. Let's discuss the use cases and performance of standard ::Deque. It is ideal for scenarios needing efficient insertion and deletion at both ends, implementing sliding window algorithms, when a queue with random access is needed, and implementing breadth-first search algorithms. Now let's compare Deque with other containers, such as vector and list. For random access, Deque in vector offers constant time denoted as O of 1, while list is linear time denoted as O of n. For insert or delete at front, Deque and list are constant time denoted as O of 1, while vector is linear time denoted as O of n. For insert or delete at back, Deque and list are constant time denoted as O of 1. In vector, it is constant time denoted as O of 1 but amortized. The Deque has more memory overhead than vectors, slightly slower random access, and better cache locality than lists, but no reallocation occurs when growing, unlike vectors. Consider reserve for vectors if the size is known. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.